6, 7.
Hi guys, with us today we have Siddhika. Siddhika is a live example of how you can improve your self while giving all the exams and gradually improving your scores. Kind of a patience you have shown in all the exams. So if we look at her scores first, CAT दिया पहले, CAT में around 80 percentile.
Yeah.
CAT 80, then NMAT आया, NMAT में 190,
196.
196. फिर SNAP आया
86.
86 percentile. फिर CMAT आया
CMAT was 93.
93 percentile. फिर MAT आया 99
Math, yeah, Math was this one 98.
98 percentile. Finally CET में 99.67 percentile
Thankfully.
and
Home run.
joining Sydenham College. ठीक है, तो मैम ये आपको इतनी पेशेंस कहाँ से आई कि हर एग्जाम में बैठ के आपने वो धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज हुआ, बट गेटिंग थ्रू सिटिंग फॉर दैट मनी एग्जाम एंड तो वो कैसे आया इतना?
So what is important is beggars are not choosers. So I was already working. It had been 3 years that I was working. So I didn't have a choice. This was my last chance. It was like how you say, it was genuinely a do or die situation. So it was this juncture where I had to do it. If not, then I had to continue with my work all my life without an MBA. So that was not acceptable for me. So answer you forgot. I also gave GMAT.
ओके सॉरी, GMAT भी है साथ में
तो मैंने बोला GMAT क्यों छोड़े, वो भी दे दो. And I gave that as well. And my GMAT score was 640. And yeah, somehow CET clicked.
तो ये मैं सबको तभी ये बोलता हूँ कि यार तुम इंडियन स्टूडेंट 5 एग्जाम देगा, एक तो निकालेगा निकालेगा. So
और मैं एक्सट्रीम इंडियन स्टूडेंट हूँ जो 10 एग्जाम देगी तो एक निकालेगी.
नहीं, इट्स ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. आई थिंक आपने लास्ट ईयर भी CET दिया था, यू गॉट 97%.
97%.
So last year CET दिया 97 percentile. So rather than getting into a छोटा मोटा B schools, you rather try to wait for 1 more year. So obviously which makes sense to wait for 1 year. ठीक है मैम, थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताइए आपकी व्हाट इज द बैकग्राउंड, योर ग्रेजुएशन एंड देन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल.
So I did my BSc Statistics from Ruparel, and then I joined this startup known as Lifespan. And Lifespan was a Times of India company, so it gave me very good exposure, and that was the catch because it gave me good exposure, I never wanted to get back to studies. But I realized that my growth is stunted, and I need to go ahead and try and aim for a higher profile or a kind of a brand name. And that's the reason why I thought I was somehow inherently the work that I was doing was very much related to an MBA's work, and hence I wanted to do my MBA. And then I started preparing for it, and the first year when I prepared for it, it was not a very pleasant experience, and then after that, yeah, it became better after so many exams.
Obviously. अच्छा, आप मेरे को थोड़ा बताइए, बिकॉज नॉर्मली व्हाट पीपल डू, ईदर दे आर नॉट एबल टू प्रिपेयर बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड सम पीपल हैव टू क्विट देयर जॉब टू प्रिपेयर. You maintained, as far as I remember, you converted your work into part-time work gigs.
Yes.
So is that because it was startup you could do that, or you can advise it to students as well if they can work into their part-time mode?
I would advise if y'all can get a situation like that, like with me, because it was a startup and because they needed me. That's the reason why they gave me that option. But I don't know if a well-established brand will be okay to even let their employees do a part-time job.
So that's a very good option. In fact, people can do that.
Yes.
अगर आपको suppose you are working for a very small company, so rather than working full time, you can make it into part time.
Yeah, I was working for 4 hours.
4 hours a day, perfect.
Yeah.
And see, the main thing is कि आप वैसे भी 24 घंटा study
काम
करने
नहीं
वाले
करते
हो नहीं. Neither you can work for longer,
Yes.
neither you can
Yes.
study for longer.
Yes.
And need a break from the study as well.
And you need a break from work as well.
Work as well, exactly. So,
Yeah, goes well.
so 4 hours you can easily. So those who are sitting at home, you can actually either look for a part-time job, or if you're already working full-time, you can look for a part-time in case you want can convert into this.
Yes.
ठीक है मैम. तो और बताइए कुछ के कैसा आपको लगा वो आफ्टर योर कैट स्कोर, यू नॉट दैट ग्रेट इन कैट, फिर एनमेट आया और सब बैक टू बैक रिजल्ट निकले सारे.
हाँ,
आई थिंक जैन का इज अ मंथ व्हेन ऑल द रिजल्ट्स
yeah, it was very bad. The month was very bad for me, and what happened is आप हमेशा बोलते रहते थे कि वीडियोस देखो, मॉक्स दो, और हम कभी सुनते नहीं थे as usual. तो जब कैट का स्कोर आया तब रियलाइज हो, ओ शिट वीडियो देखना चाहिए था, ओ शिट मॉक देना चाहिए था. कैट के मैंने आई थिंक 3 मॉक दिए थे, दैट्स अबाउट इट, and that was something that I really regret even till date.
एंड सीट में कितना मॉक दिया होगा?
CET I gave all mocks. In fact मैंने आपको इनफैक्ट इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर, आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर और नो, आई आस्क्ड यू टू असाइन मी मोर मॉक्स. मैंने एक और लॉगिन परचेज किया था इन ऑर्डर टू जस्ट गिव द मॉक अगेन.
सो मोटा मोटा 30 मॉक दिया होगा.
या इजीली इंक्लूडिंग दो सेक्शनल टेस्ट जो आपके थे वो भी दे दिए थे मैंने.
ठीक है, अभी यार ये देखो, पब्लिक क्या बोलता है कैट सीईटी इजी है, कैट डिफिकल्ट है, स्कोर कम है ज़्यादा है, ये आपके सामने एग्जांपल हो गया यार। सीईटी के 30 मॉक दिया, 99.67 परसेंटाइल आया। कैट का 3 मॉक दिया तो ऑब्वियसली 80 आना था। अगर कैट में ना, इफ आई गो बैक एंड आज द सेम क्वेश्चन, अगर कैट में सेक्शनल टेस्ट दिया होता एंड 30 मॉक्स दिया होता,
तो और वो वीडियो देखे होते, क्लियर किया होता अपना बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स, तो हाँ, कैट वुड हैव बीन अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम। हाँ, एक्चुअली
तो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग एवरी टाइम इन एवरी लेक्चर कि यार तुम पढ़ोगे तो स्कोर आएगा, बिना पढ़े स्कोर नहीं आने वाला।
ट्रू, वेरी
ठीक है, वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा आपको।
वेरी ट्रू।
ठीक है।
एंड वॉट वॉज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी वॉज मेरे बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं हो रहे थे, और वो बेसिक्स एक्चुअली जब कैट आता है, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू रश थ्रू इट एंड यू जस्ट पिक अप योर फेवरेट टॉपिक्स एंड देन यू फॉरगेट दैट यू हैव अदर टॉपिक्स एज वेल. So when you go back, look at the video once again at your own pace, at your own time, it makes a huge difference.
So I think there's a mental block which people create. Like I think आपने लास्ट से भी कैट दिया होगा
जी,
तो वो वहाँ पे शायद इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया, तो there was a mental block in mind कि यार चलो कैट जाने दो, सीईटी पे फोकस
and also being from Bombay, I was very clear on CET.
Yeah, this is a main problem being in Mumbai, that you will end up coming onto CET only.
Yeah.
Even if you're giving CAT, so तुम्हारा फोकस कभी CAT पे जाएगा ही नहीं.
कभी जाएगा ही नहीं. And that is wrong because CAT makes you grow.
Last week I took one interview. That guy got 10 new IIMS call, 10 के 11 new IIMS call. वो इंटरव्यू देने तक नहीं गया.
Wow.
Focus on JB only, CET only.
CA? Oh.
इतना ज़्यादा वो कि भैया CET देना, कहीं और जाना ही नहीं है.
True.
तो which is bad as well, which is not a good thing. कल को स्कोर गड़बड़ हो गया, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है, correct.
Okay, now coming to the CET point, which was the first section you started in the exam?
So मेरा वर्बल वीक है और मुझे वर्बल में नींद बहुत आती थी, तो मैंने वर्बल पहले स्टार्ट किया एंड देन आई वेंट विद एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, देन लॉजिक एंड देन क्वांट.
Okay, so verbal, then
abstract, then logic and then quant. और ये मैंने बहुत, जैसे आपने बोला था, बहुत सारे PNCs करते जाओ, इसीलिए मेरे मार्क्स ज़्यादा होते गए, क्योंकि मैंने इतने, मेरे को for me to understand which is my ideal mix. I mean, sir can't tell me that. I need to myself understand. And for me to understand, I had to give as many marks as I could. And then finally I came down to this. So it may be different from somebody else.
Okay, so one fundamental mistake what we did, which I want to mention in the video, the moment she came out of the exam, she called me and said that she fumbled in puzzle.
Yes.
I think that was the biggest drawback or mistake of that exam that day.
Yes.
तो अगर नहीं करते तो शायद यार मैं बोल के थक गया कि पजल इज गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट.
Yes.
तो मैडम ने हमारी क्या किया, लॉजिक सेक्शन से शुरू हुआ, पहले ही पजल दिख गया एंड शी वाज गुड इन पजल्स. तो शी जंप्ड ऑन टू पजल एंड इट बैकफायर्ड. शी कुड नॉट सॉल्व द पजल. तो शायद अगर वो पजल सॉल्व हो जाता पहले एंड योर कॉन्फिडेंस वुड हैव गॉन फर्दर हायर देन वेयर यू वर टुडे, तो शायद और अच्छा स्कोर.
माय कॉन्फिडेंस एंड माय स्कोर आल्सो वुड हैव बीन हायर.
सो दैट्स अ एडवाइस. दिस इज अ लर्निंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी हियर कि दैट आपको सेक्शन टेस्ट देना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ फुल लेंथ मॉक्स 200 क्वेश्चन का मॉक देने में जो भी तुम्हारा वीक एरिया वो नॉर्मली वीक रह जाता है. यू कैन नॉट एबल टू फोकस ऑन एवरीथिंग. So that's why I believe in sectional test.
Correct.
So that's why for every section there are 5, 6 tests in the login ID now, which students should give pehle and then go for the exam.
And also one more thing that I would recommend that I faced is, एक होती है core competency which you're good at, which you know you're good at, and that comes naturally to you. And the other thing is जो आप मेहनत करके आते हो. जैसे मेरी puzzle मेरी core competency नहीं थी, वो मेरा मेहनत था. अगर मैं वो उसको समझती ये मेरी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी नहीं है और ये मेरी मेहनत है, तो आई कुड हैव डन मच बेटर, बिकॉज आई कुड हैव डन समथिंग एल्स व्हिच वाज माय कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी एंड आई कुड हैव स्कोर्ड मच बेटर.
Okay, what advice you would like to give to students, those who are preparing for the exam? Now you are a senior for them, so what kind of advice would you like to give them for preparation point of view, from everything point of view?
The only advice that I would like to give is don't get scared of mocks, because I got scared of mocks and that created problems with me and in my preparation. Because when I would get scared of mocks, I would try and avoid them, and because I would try and avoid them, टेंशन ही नहीं आता था. अब टेंशन ही नहीं आता तो पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी. तो the only tension जब आता था जब क्लास आते थे. अब वो that tension is not enough because class will not push you that much. They can only provide you a base. You need to push yourself in order to go ahead and take those mocks. And yeah, take advice, because I ignored his advice and I landed up where I am,
Okay.
which is not bad, but
So
yeah.
it's not bad, but yeah, obviously. Anyway,
Could have been
so
much better.
How CATing helped you?
So this was the class which I joined. I did not join any other class. Besides that, what happened is, so ek to your lectures every Sunday used to give a big boost, and then the even interesting part is, because I call myself a slow learner, and because I'm a slow learner, I want to take some time to understand the concept, and once I understand the concept, then I know it. Then you ask me for life, I'll remember it. So even things which I did in 7th 8th standard, I still remember it because I know it very well. And videos helped me because I could take my time in understanding. My worst topic was time, distance and speed, and I only could understand that because of that slow process. If I would not have
You know,
taken, yeah, I can see that, unfortunately. जहाँ जाओ वही दिखता है. तो
अभी लेक्चर वही चल रहा था, तो there was lecture going on.
right. So yeah, it took me, it went ahead with me. It just didn't run. And the most important is the mocks. I don't know why, for some reason, जो मॉक में स्कोर आता है वही एक्चुअल स्कोर आता है. सर लास्ट ईयर आपको याद होगा कि मेरे को जब 97 परसेंटाइल आए थे, माई स्कोर वॉज 115 उस टाइम पे. नो, इट वॉज 123. It was 123. So वो टाइम पे easy CT था, तो 123 था. And इशू क्या हुआ था कि when I took CE taking mocks, and that time I had only taken mocks because it was the first time I tried, and my score was coming in that range only, and I was dead sure that in my real exam it won't come that. I was like, नहीं इससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा, and it was that only. And the same thing repeated this year. I mean last year when it's been a year since I've given CET. My mock score was 115, and my actual score was 116. So yes, get scared if your mock score is low.
Improve karo matlab basically.
बहुत.
So now here I want to point out two things. Number one, that whatever the mocks which I will make for the CET and the CAT exam,
Yeah, very apt,
are
very apt.
at par with the level of CET.
Yes,
ना एक
yes.
क्वेश्चन ऊपर ना एक क्वेश्चन नीचे.
Yes.
तो इनफैक्ट काफी लोगों ने बोला कि हमारे जो मॉक्स थे, जो मॉक्स में स्कोर आया वही स्कोर वहाँ पे आया.
Correct.
फॉर एग्जांपल दिव्या बयानी was rank 1 in all the mocks and she got rank 1 in CET as well.
I remember because
The topper. And second thing which I remember for her, she always used to mark her benchmark her performance as per the topper.
yes, always.
So in first few mocks she was scoring 10 marks less than the topper.
Yes.
So that was a benchmark.
Yes.
कि अगर उसका टॉपर का 130 आ रहा है तो मेरा 120 आया तो मतलब I am not bad.
I'm not bad. Exactly. Yeah.
So that's a very good way to benchmark your performance.
Yes.
See, दो चीज़ होता है, एक तो कट ऑफ कितना है. फॉर एग्जांपल CET का कट ऑफ इस बार 140 जाएगा. So आपका 140 में से कितना आ रहा है? 130, 120. So that's one way to benchmark.
Yeah.
Second way to benchmark is as compared to topper.
Correct.
क्योंकि टॉपर हर जगह आपको एक आधा टॉपर निकल ही आएगा who is scoring more than the average marks required.
Yes.
So you can follow the topper this thing as well, which is equally good advice to give to students.
And what happens is CET is a performance based exam, not understanding how well you did but how bad others did. So I think to compare yourself with the topper would be the right way to go ahead and compare.
Exactly. And I still remember you in the other branch. You never used to miss any class. You were
Never.
there in every class.
Not one. Because that was the only strength that I had. घर जाके तो डिप्रेसिंग कि ये तो पढ़ाई नहीं करती है, कुछ करती ही नहीं है.
यार ये मेरे को एक कंप्लेंट है यार बच्चों से कि everyone come and say सर आपकी तो मोटिवेशन इज द मेन थिंग.
Yes,
तो शॉर्टकट को कोई गिनता नहीं, शॉर्टकट के बारे में बात नहीं करता.
No sir, what happens is शॉर्टकट तो है ही, पर क्या होता है कि वो पता है you come and you're so tensed. I was so, just imagine yourself in my position. I have taken each and every exam, and so since October I've only seen failure. I've only seen failure, and the only thing that I have to hold on to is CET. एंड CET as we all know, एक चीज घुमाई सब घूम जाता है, एंड एवरी ईयर कुछ ना कुछ घुमाते हैं वो. तो वो मोटिवेशन घर वाले देने नहीं वाले आपको. बॉस तो बोलता है तुम इधर ही आके बस जाओ, तुम क्यों दे रहे हो MBA, कर ही क्यों रहे हो. एंड दिस वॉज द ओनली प्लेस दैट आई कुड समवेयर, you know, I could vent out. And I remember after every class I would wait and I would just vent out what all was happening. So yeah, that was very important for me. And even if I missed like any other faculty's class, I would make sure that I don't miss yours. And I'm glad you kept your classes on Sunday. So for
And
working
now
students.
she is with the advantage of CET. CET का best part is Sydenham का fees is 1.4 lakhs.
yes.
1.5 लाख में आपका MBA
No
खत्म हो
loan.
गया. No loans, 1.5 लाख में MBA खत्म हो गया.
FD भी नहीं तोड़ानी पड़ती.
And she is doing her internship with people from TAPMI and IMI.
Yeah, and
Same
four.
package and 4. Same
And
package.
NMIMS Bangalore.
And Narsee Monjee
They have
Bangalore.
paid 14 to 15 lakhs only in fees. And because I'm doing my internship with them, I also see the emails that they get. कि, okay, your this year's fees is this much. And that's nowhere close to mine. I mean, जितने वो फाइन भरते उतनी मेरी पूरी फीस है.
तो अब ये देखो यार, वहाँ पे 14 लाख की फीस, इधर 1.4 लाख का फीस. दैट्स अ मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ
It's a
सीट.
very big advantage.
So जो भी कर लो यार, 6 लाख का फीस स्टिल है. It's still ROI is
Oh.
number one best ROI. The
Absolutely.
Bombay colleges.
Absolutely.
So this is my always advice to people जो public TAPMI जाना चाहते हैं from Bombay student कि यार if you look at all the non-CAT exam, NMAT, SNAP, CET, all of them are based for master size colleges.
Yes, they are.
और तुम टापमी जाना चाहते हो जो बाहर का, और टापमी से एमबीए करके तुम्हें बॉम्बे आना है बाद में
Exactly.
जॉब करने.
हाँ.
तो बेटर टू डू योर एमबीए इन बॉम्बे.
Agreed. In fact, I have so many. So my company has selected 24 people, and out of them, 20 are from outside Bombay, and they are not going to join because they keep saying,
They
"Ki,
can't-
yaar, I can't afford
live
this."
in Bombay, right.
So you might as well search for a Bombay
High
college.
local.
And for financial services, the Bombay is the hub.
Exactly. So I think that's all we have from today.
Thank
So
you.
Sidharth, thank you very much
Thank
for
you
coming
so
today.
much. Thanks a lot.
And all the best.
I
for your
always
future.
tell you it is because of you that I've got wherever I am.
And it's all your hard
so
work, hard
it'll
work.
always be this, and my first salary will be dedicated to you.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you
Thanks
do
a
well.
lot.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.